Welcome. Today, we're diving into the Search Generative Experience, or SGE, a revolutionary way to find information online. Whether you're searching for quick facts, in-depth explanations, or creative inspiration, SGE can help you discover answers faster and more intuitively. In this video, we'll walk through what SGE is, how it works, and how you can use it to find anything you need. Let's get started by understanding the basics of SGE and why it's changing the way we search. SGE stands for Search Generative Experience. It's an advanced search tool powered by artificial intelligence that not only retrieves information, but also generates comprehensive answers and summaries. Unlike traditional search engines that simply list links, SGE provides synthesized responses, making your search experience more efficient and engaging. This means you spend less time clicking through multiple sites and more time getting the information you need, right at your fingertips. Traditional search engines present a list of links, leaving you to sift through pages for answers. SGE, on the other hand, uses AI to understand your query and generate a direct, detailed response. This approach saves time and helps you find exactly what you're looking for, even if your question is complex or open-ended. SGE's ability to synthesize information from multiple sources sets it apart from conventional search tools. To start using SGE, you'll need to access it through a compatible browser or platform. Some search engines have integrated SGE features directly into their main interface, while others may require you to enable experimental features or join a waitlist. Make sure your browser is up to date and that you're signed in if necessary. Once you have access, you're ready to explore the power of generative search. Once inside SGE, you'll notice a clean, intuitive interface. The search bar is front and center, inviting you to type your query. Below, you may see suggested prompts or trending topics. The layout is designed to minimize distractions and help you focus on your search. Familiarize yourself with the main sections, such as the results area, settings, and any additional tools provided by SGE. To begin a search, simply type your question or keywords into the search bar. SGE is designed to understand natural language, so you can phrase your query just like you would ask a person. Whether you're looking for a definition, a how-to guide, or a product recommendation, SGE interprets your intent and prepares to generate a tailored response. SGE often provides prompt suggestions to help you get started. These prompts are based on trending searches, common questions, or your previous activity. Clicking on a prompt instantly generates a response, giving you a quick way to explore popular topics or refine your search. Use these suggestions as inspiration or guidance when you're unsure how to phrase your query. After submitting your query, SGE's AI engine analyzes your request and generates a comprehensive answer. This response may include summaries, step-by-step instructions, or even creative content, depending on your question. The AI draws from a wide range of sources, ensuring that the information is accurate and up-to-date. You'll see the answer displayed prominently at the top of the results page. One of SGE's strengths is its transparency. When generating answers, SGE often provides citations or links to the original sources. This allows you to verify the information, explore further, or dive deeper into the topic. Look for small numbers or links within the generated response, which you can click to access the referenced material directly. If the initial answer isn't quite what you need, SGE makes it easy to refine your search. You can edit your query, add more details, or ask follow-up questions. The AI adapts to your input, providing more specific or nuanced responses as you clarify your needs. This iterative process helps you zero in on the exact information you're seeking. SGE often suggests related topics or questions based on your search. These suggestions appear below the main answer and can help you broaden your understanding or discover new angles on your topic. Clicking on a related topic generates a new, tailored response, making it easy to continue your exploration without starting from scratch. For certain queries, SGE can generate visual summaries, such as charts, diagrams, or infographics. These visuals help you grasp complex information quickly and make comparisons at a glance. Look for visual elements embedded within the answer or as separate cards on the results page. Visual summaries are especially helpful for data-driven or process-oriented searches. When you search for how-to questions, SGE can generate step-by-step guides. These guides break down processes into clear, actionable steps, often accompanied by tips or warnings. Whether you're learning a new skill or troubleshooting a problem, these guides make it easy to follow along and achieve your goal. SGE excels at making comparisons and offering recommendations. If you're deciding between products, services, or ideas, SGE can generate side-by-side comparisons, highlighting key features, pros, and cons. Recommendations are tailored to your needs, helping you make informed decisions quickly and confidently. Beyond factual answers, SGE can help you generate creative content. Whether you need ideas for a story, a catchy slogan, or a unique recipe, SGE's AI can brainstorm with you. Just describe what you're looking for, and SGE will provide original suggestions or even draft content for you to use or refine. SGE supports multiple languages, making it accessible to users around the world. You can search in your preferred language, and the AI will generate responses accordingly. This feature is especially useful for multilingual users or those seeking information in a specific language. SGE is optimized for mobile devices, ensuring a seamless experience whether you're searching on your phone or tablet. The interface adapts to smaller screens, and all features remain accessible. This flexibility means you can find answers on the go, wherever you are. You can use voice input with SGE for hands-free searching. Simply tap the microphone icon and speak your query. The AI transcribes your words and generates a response just as it would with typed input. Voice search is convenient for multitasking or when you're unable to type. SGE can personalize your search experience based on your preferences and past activity. Over time, the AI learns your interests and tailors suggestions, prompts, and recommendations to suit your needs. You can also adjust personalization settings to control how much SGE adapts to your behavior. Your privacy is important when using SGE. The platform employs robust security measures to protect your data and search history. You can review and manage your privacy settings at any time, ensuring that your information remains safe and confidential. SGE offers a range of settings to customize your experience. You can adjust language preferences, enable or disable features, and manage notifications. Exploring the settings menu helps you make the most of SGE's capabilities and ensures the platform works the way you want. Stay informed with SGE's notification system. You can receive alerts about new features, updates, or personalized recommendations. Notifications can be managed in the settings, allowing you to control what information you receive and how you're notified. SGE allows you to save important results for future reference. You can bookmark answers, copy content, or share findings with others via email or social media. This makes it easy to keep track of valuable information and collaborate with friends or colleagues. For research or documentation purposes, SGE provides options to export data. You can download summaries, guides, or visual content in various formats. This feature is especially useful for students, professionals, or anyone needing to organize and present information. SGE is designed with accessibility in mind. Features like screen reader compatibility, adjustable text size, and high-contrast modes ensure that everyone can use the platform comfortably. Accessibility settings can be found in the main menu, allowing you to tailor the experience to your needs. If you encounter issues or have suggestions, SGE provides easy ways to give feedback or contact support. Look for the feedback button or help section within the interface. Your input helps improve the platform and ensures a better experience for all users. Sometimes you may experience issues such as slow loading, missing features, or unexpected results. SGE's help section provides troubleshooting tips and solutions for common problems. Make sure your browser is updated and check your internet connection if you encounter difficulties. SGE is constantly evolving, with new features and improvements released regularly. Stay updated by checking the platform's news section or subscribing to notifications. Keeping up with updates ensures you always have access to the latest tools and enhancements. SGE can integrate with other productivity tools, such as calendars, note-taking apps, or project management platforms. These integrations streamline your workflow, allowing you to transfer information seamlessly between SGE and your favorite apps. SGE supports collaboration, making it easy to work on projects with others. You can share search results, co-edit documents, or brainstorm ideas together in real time. Collaboration tools are especially valuable for teams, students, or anyone working in groups. For power users, SGE offers advanced search techniques. You can use filters, Boolean operators, or specific commands to narrow down results. These tools help you find highly specific information and make your searches even more effective. Filters allow you to sort results by date, relevance, type, or other criteria. Applying filters helps you quickly find the most relevant information, especially when dealing with large volumes of data. Experiment with different filters to see which ones best suit your needs. Boolean operators like and, or, and not help you combine or exclude keywords in your search. For example, searching for cats and dogs will show results containing both terms, while cats not dogs excludes results about dogs. Mastering these operators gives you greater control over your search results. SGE supports search shortcuts for quick access to specific types of information. For example, typing weather in Paris or define innovation instantly brings up relevant results. Learning these shortcuts can save you time and make your searches more efficient. You can customize how results are displayed in SGE. Options may include changing the layout, adjusting font size, or selecting which types of content appear first. Customization helps you create a search environment that's comfortable and productive for you. SGE keeps track of your search history and allows you to bookmark important results. You can revisit previous searches or organize bookmarks into folders for easy access. This feature is especially useful for ongoing research or long-term projects. Some SGE features may be available offline, allowing you to access saved results or guides without an internet connection. This is particularly helpful when traveling or working in areas with limited connectivity. Check the settings to see which features support offline use. SGE is a powerful tool for students and educators. It can generate study guides, explain concepts, and provide resources for assignments or research. The AI's ability to break down complex topics makes learning more accessible and engaging. Professionals across industries can benefit from SGE. Whether you're conducting market research, preparing presentations, or seeking technical documentation, SGE's generative capabilities streamline your workflow and enhance productivity. SGE is also valuable for creative professionals. Writers, designers, and marketers can use SGE to brainstorm ideas, generate content drafts, or find inspiration. The AI's creative suggestions can spark new projects and help you overcome creative blocks. When using SGE, always be mindful of online safety. Avoid sharing sensitive personal information in your queries, and be cautious when clicking on external links. SGE's security features help protect you, but practicing good digital hygiene is essential. SGE's AI is designed to provide helpful, unbiased information. However, it's important to use AI responsibly. Always verify critical information, respect copyright laws, and avoid using AI-generated content for malicious purposes. Ethical use ensures that AI remains a positive force in our digital lives. The future of SGE is bright, with ongoing advancements in AI and search technology. Expect even smarter, more intuitive features, deeper integrations, and greater personalization. Staying engaged with SGE's evolution ensures you'll always have the best tools for finding information. To recap, SGE transforms the way we search by generating direct, comprehensive answers, supporting creative and professional tasks, and offering a highly personalized experience. With its advanced AI, intuitive interface, and robust features, SGE empowers you to find anything with ease. Remember to explore its settings, use advanced techniques, and stay updated for the best results. Now that you know how to use SGE, it's time to put your knowledge into practice. Start by exploring the interface, trying different types of queries, and experimenting with the features we've covered. With SGE, finding anything is just a search away. Happy searching.